So the suction's very strong and holds the small parts down?
That's correct, yes. That's correct.
So it pumps under the table, right?
Yeah. And the pump, that's another advantage. There is only this much from pump to the table, this much of a travel. Like you can take a photo of that. Every week, every single week, all of it is fresh grease. Every single bearing.
Okay.
Just last year we replaced all the wiring. Everything it's brand new. I have receipts from.
Yeah. Wow. The vacuum really holds it down.
Yeah. So people think that.
They can't do small parts.
Asking for the original table, but there is a reason why we actually did this table.
Why is the suction so strong?
The travel distance and how it's designed on the inside when you remove the board. And also this board is screwed with screws, so it never moves on top. The spoil board never moves.
Okay, but doesn't it wear down after a while in here?
Yeah, and you remove the screws, you rip it off, you remove the silicone, you put a bit of a silicone, put new boards, plane it, and you're good to go for another, I don't know, 6 months or so.
Okay.